where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Matanzas River. The small stone fort quietly stands guard. This is Fort Matanzas, a centuries-old sentinel of Florida's turbulent past. Built by the Spanish in 1742, Fort Matanzas was never meant to be a grand fortress. Its purpose, to defend St. Augustine from enemy ships sneaking in through the back door, the Matanzas Inlet. The name Matanzas means slaughters in Spanish, a grim reminder of 1565, when Spanish forces executed over 250 French Huguenots here. The bloodshed marked Spain's determination to control Florida. Constructed of coquina, a soft shell stone unique to the region, the fort withstood wind, water, and time. It housed only a handful of soldiers, armed with cannons and tasked with guarding the inlet day and night. Today, Fort Matanzas stands not just as a military relic, but as part of a 300-acre national monument, protecting both history and habitat. Its shores are now home to birds, turtles, and quiet tides. Though small and often overlooked, Fort Matanzas played a critical role in defending one of America's oldest cities. It's a story of strategy, survival, and the ever-shifting tides of power. Here, where battles once raged and nations clashed, the fort now watches in silence, a stone witness to centuries gone by.